Today we are going to see about Nissim Ezekiel biography. So when we hear the word Nissim Ezekiel, his famous work comes in our mind. The famous works are Enterprise, A Time to Change, The Professor, Knight of the Scorpion, The Patriot. So these are the famous poem which was written by Nissim Ezekiel. When we hear the word Nissim Ezekiel, automatically it comes in our mind. ஸோ நம்மளுக்கு அவரோட பேர் கேட்ட உடனே நம்மளுக்கு டக் அப்படின்ட்டு ஞாபகத்துக்கு வர்றது இந்த ஒர்க்ஸ் மட்டும்தான். இவரோட பயோகிராஃபி வந்து நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். ஸோ ஹி born on 1924, 16th December at Bombay, and he died on 2004, 9th January at Mumbai. Nissim Ezekiel is called as Indian Jewish poet and critic and editor. So he is called as Indian Jewish poet, and he is a father of post-independence Indian English verse, otherwise known as father of post-colonial Indian literary history. And he is belonged to a Jewish family. He started modernity in Indian English poetry. So in Indian English poetry, the modernity technique he started. He studied philosophy at Purbeck College, London. After returning from London at 1952, the first collection of poems, it is A Time to Change. At 1953, he started a work for the Illustrated Weekly of India as an editor. And his poem depicts some of the famous poem which depicts a religious belief, communal disharmony of Indian society. And his poem always have an optimism sense. And the famous thing, and in 1983, he got a Sahitya Academic Award for Later Day Psalms, for the work of Later Day Psalms. At 1988, he was awarded Padma Shri Award. 1988, he was awarded Padma Shri Award. He died because of Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is nothing but a brain disease. So he suffered brain disease, and he died at 2004. When he studied at Purbeck College, London, he used to study T.S. Eliot and Ezra Pound poetry. So he liked very much. He liked T.S. Eliot and Ezra Pound. So when we see about his disease, that brain disease, the Alzheimer's disease is nothing but it describes the disease that destroys memory and other important mental function. So he can forget all the memory power. So the Alzheimer's disease is nothing but, disease is nothing but memory loss. His important works where he has written three major plays. The plays are, first plays is Nalini, and then marriage poems, The Sleepwalkers at 1969. He started to write play first 1969, and then only he got awarded. So first 1969, he started to write the three plays. That Nalini is a comedy in 3 acts. Marriage poems, a 1-act tragic comedy. The Sleepwalkers is an Indo-American farce. And his fourth play is a Song of Deprivation. It is a comic morality. Fourth play is Song of Deprivation, comic morality. And then his famous work, that last one, is Do Not Call It Suicide. It's a famous work. At 1993, he started to write Do Not Call It Suicide. It is a tragedy. It is a tragedy in 2 acts. And his poems, The Couple, Enterprise, A Time to Change, The Professor, Knight of the Scorpion, The Patriot, The Visitor, Island. These are the famous poems. And when we see the books according to the year, the chronological order of the year is 1952, Time to Change, 1953, 60 of Poems, 1956, The Discovery of India, 1959, The Third, 1960, The Unfinished Man, 1965, The Exact Name, 1974, Snackazine and other poems. 1976, Hymn in Darkness. 1982, Later Day Psalms. So Later Day Psalms only got a Sahitya Academic Award at 83. So this was published in 82 and was awarded at 83. And 1989, the collected poems. So these are the famous work by Nissim Ezekiel. And when we read the chronological order, it will be easy to remember Nissim Ezekiel's works. So thank you. For next video we will see another work and another about the other another author. Thank you.